Papa, good night. Sorry, good morning. Sorry, Papa. Goodbye.
Canel,
Papa.
what are you doing here in this kitchen?
Papa, I came to sweep the kitchen. The kitchen is very dirty.
I see. So what is in your pocket?
Papa, cockroach, rat, sorry, snake egg.
Oh, snake egg.
Yes, Papa.
Ah, interesting. You know, in my life, I have never seen snake egg at all. So bring it, let us see.
You see, Papa, this one look like fish. Plenty water there inside the egg.
Oh yeah, now bring it out, let us see.
Papa, was it not Dorcas that gave us the fish which we put inside soup? And now Papa is telling me that I should remove my hand from my pocket. Yes, it was Dorcas. It's true. Okay, Papa, let me go and wash plates.
Hey, come back here, come on. Papa, so tell me, when did snake egg look like fish in your brother's pocket? Tell me!
Oh, Papa, I commit myself, you know. Sometimes it will, it's...
Oh yeah, bring it out.
Papa, you see?
Hey, come on, kneel down here. Kneel down! Hands up! Come on. Hands up! Now, bring it out.
Okay, let me come, bye-bye. Oh, Papa, I don't know the time when I enter inside the soup pot and collect the fish. In fact, I was asleep. Sorry, now therefore walk.
Shut up! Shut up! Canel! Now, if I ever see you, if I ever hear your voice, shut up! If I ever hear your voice again, I am going to divide you into 4 and make sure that you are dead and kill you like an armed robber, which you are. You are a criminal! Nonsense! Stupid thing. Where is this snake egg?
You see, Papa, one rat came and carried it away. The rat said he was going to see the sister that just delivered.
And you allowed it, eh?
Papa, you commanded me to raise my hands up, so my hands were still up when the rat attacked.
And that is enough reason for you to allow rat to... I am coming.
My auntie was she said I was passing robber. The make a robber was passing.